guess I should do the song now. Should I do the song? And maybe I can make the song talk about what just happened. Let's get the sign back in. I can't play guitar, but I try real hard. It's a lie when they tell you they love you. It's a lie when they say that they don't. It's a lie when you think that they will. It's a lie 'cause you'll find that they won't. It's a lie when you watch TV. It's a lie what you see and read. It's a lie when it's always true when they call you a fool for believing anything that Rex Tillerson or this commission here says to you. Yeah, it's always true when they call you a fool for believing every word that they say. The Texas Railroad Commission lies. I hope nobody dies. Exxon lies, and I know some people have died. Who dies?
Barry Smitherman lies.
Barry somebody lies. And I don't know.
Lies.
Well, let me just say this. I can't say that Barry lied myself, but Clay, who's told me he doesn't have a card, Clay, there's a rubber stamp company in Little Rock, Reynolds Rubber Stamp. They'll make you a rubber stamp. You can make your cards on cereal boxes, Hoss. So Clay, somebody lied. Clay lied. It's all wild thing. Oh yeah, Clay is the wild thing. Clay's coming out. He's gonna come out to the where are we playing? Friday night we're playing the Continental Club, and Clay's gonna sing "Wild Thing." What kind of ding-a-ling tells a man who's running for senator that he don't have a card? Is it really that hard? What a fucking asshole that guy was. Hey Clay, fuck you. All right, I'm done. See, that's the kind of shit we're doing.
Yep.
I mean, we try not to get arrested, but eventually